Grease-proof wrapping paper. A pack of 100 sheets for burgers, sandwiches, pastries, and barbecue, made from food-grade material. It's safe for direct food contact and keeps meals fresh, neat, and easy to pack. Great for home, kitchen, bakery, or food service use. It helps prevent grease stains and keeps your table clean. You can use it as a dinner plate cover to wrap sandwiches or bread, or even when preparing snacks to go. Practical, hygienic, and convenient, a must-have for anyone who loves tidy and mess-free food preparation every day.